In front of me is Denver SDQ-52001G, and let me show you how to turn on and off battery percentage and status bar on the following device. So, as you can see, currently it is active and we can see the current battery level, but to change it, just open the list of all apps, find and select the settings, go to battery, and here you've got battery percentage tab. So just click here to make it active and then click on it one more time to switch it off. As you can see, once the indicator is not green, it's not active, it means that battery percentage will not be displayed in your status bar, and then once you click here, you will be able to see it. And this is it, that will be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.